We actually go and look at the chain, the whole chain, and write a full report, and then they are accepted. We need to do the same. Do we go and see the sugar? If one sugar factory, I'm not mentioned because we may be sued, but if one sugar factory decided and we found that they're using children, can we run a campaign here and say, don't buy sugar from this factory, they're using children, or don't buy sugar from these factories, let's buy sugar from elsewhere, and the whole country decides to do that? Won't children be protected?
They will be protected.
Can't these sugar factories put schools? So they're going to say, but the children are doing nothing. Let the sugar factories build the schools. Let the mining companies build the schools. I haven't even told you about the mining of gold and marble. Let them put the schools there so the children are in school as the mining is happening.
And let the parents also chase away the children to school.
Yes.
Instead of being to this place.
Talk about the stone quarries where children are being used to break the stones, and yet that is a health hazard to them. Let us make sure that we don't buy stones from there. If you kill the business, then you will even stop the trafficking. By the way, according to statistics, there's more internal trafficking that happens compared to the cross-border.
Maybe we are not aware that we're doing trafficking. Thank you so much, guys. Those who are watching us, and I'm sure you're learning something, and let's do our best to make sure that you learn a thing or two. This information is needed. You may be there and you don't know that even that child you have, that girl you have in your house, you trafficked that child. And if you're not aware, somebody who brought this child, trafficked this child, trafficked this girl, trafficked this boy, who is opening up the gate for you. Why? Because you're paying them some peanuts, or you're paying them little money. Even if you're paying them actually enough money, they are underage. And we need to protect humanity. So let's talk about this vice. So many girls are leaving Uganda and are being taken to Saudi Arabia. I will mention the country: Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Dubai. And they are promised jobs in Jordan, anywhere. And whenever you are at the airport, you see so many girls that are dressed and leaving the country. Is it a plus to the country, or it is a minus? And secondly, somebody is in the village. Maybe they have been trafficked in Uganda. They are housemates and they are being paid 150,000 Uganda shillings. Who are few, most of them are 60,000, 70,000. And then somebody has been told that you can go to Saudi Arabia and earn 1 million. Actually,
$1,000.
Okay, they are told $1,000, which is not true at the end of the day. And they feel they are going to board a plane. They have a passport for their first time, and they are leaving the country.
And they're going to earn dollars.
And they're going to earn dollars. And they're going to change the history or the story of their family. You as Damon, do you agree to that?